This is very important video. If you give a service, local SEO service, and your client asks you, can you able to rank my business profile within 1 week, 2 weeks? So uh, you should know actual time. First of all, we cannot rank within 1 week, 2 week in white hat method. So if you apply black hat method, then you can rank within 1 week, 2 week, but this result will not be stable in Google. So minimum you should work 3 months to rank a Google My Business profile. Okay, then you should continuously work. Significantly improvement to get the rank position to fight your competitor, you should work 3 to 6 months, and established ranking you should work overall 12 months, 1 year. So I personally work long time client, not short time client, then I can work my comfortably. I work every month. I take charge every month $500, but I contacted at least 1 year, because I can establish ranking on Google My Business profile. Over this time, GMB profile remain active, optimize continuous positive engagement, so I can secure higher ranking, especially Google Map and local map. So minimum you need 3 months, then 6 months is better, and if you work 1 year, then you will get the rank in the first position inshallah on Google My Business profile. So if you need any help, let me contact us. I will give you free consultation. Thank you so much for watching this video.